Which sentence includes an unnecessary word? Let's take a look at each of the suggestions and see which word is unnecessary. A. Sentence 2 includes the unnecessary word to. Klein Vision's air car flew between Nitra and the capital Bratislava on Monday, according to a press release published Wednesday. As according to is a phrase meaning as reported by or as stated by, we need both words together in order to complete the phrase. If we were to say according a press release, it would be grammatically incorrect. This can be marked off. B. Sentence 3 includes the unnecessary word with. The air car prototype 1 is powered by a 160 horsepower BMW engine and comes equipped with a fixed propeller. Again, equipped with is a phrase, and to simply say comes equipped a fixed propeller is incorrect and incomplete. As with is necessary in this sentence, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Sentence 9 includes the unnecessary word of. It is expected of to be able to cruise at 300 kilometers per hour and have a range of 1,000 kilometers. There are two phrases that use expected, with one being expected of and one being expected to. With expected of, it might be used to say, good behavior is expected of the students, or it is expected of you to clean your room. With expected to, you might say, the students are expected to be on their best behavior, or you are expected to clean your room. However, to combine these phrases and say expected of to is incorrect and sounds clunky and awkward. From here, we can see that the word of is unnecessary here, and this is likely our answer. Just to be sure, we can take a look at choice D. D. Sentence 12 includes the unnecessary word in. Flying vehicles would need to operate in crowded airspace, near small drones and traditional airplanes, and also need a regulatory framework, which could take years. If the word in were to be removed here, it would sound like the flying vehicles were the ones operating the crowded airspace, as opposed to what the sentence is saying, that they are operating in crowded airspace. From here we can see that the word in is necessary here, and this choice can be marked as incorrect as we go and mark choice C as our final answer.